Hi, this is Mario. Today I'm going to do a video, and basically this video is about this bike. So I'm going to show you unboxing, and then I'm going to do a test ride to see how this thing performs and installation. Ah! Ah! Ooh, it's tight in there. You packed this thing well. Ah! 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 These are the pedals. Wow. Not even aluminum.
Wow, nice.
Usually they're plastic. Wow. Better than a different review. The guy said that the guy had a plastic one. This must be a newer model. See, well, still trying to look for those bearings. That's what I'm looking for.
What is it? Bearings.
Yep, bearings. That's what I'm looking for. I was worried that it was in the box. Now I'm installing the forks. This bike doesn't have instructions, so you can either watch the video at the YouTube. They have one there. Me, I'm just hope I do it right. kind of handy.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna tighten this all the way yet. I'm just gonna right now put it just enough so I can do the rest. Okay, if I did this right, this should be smooth. Voila, it's done, right? Okay. I just,
Wow, look at that. Nice.
yeah, just need to, let me see if I can adjust the handle a little bit. EPass Technology. Even has a website in there.
Yeah.
EPass. People that doesn't know what that is, that means it charges your battery for you while you're riding
Yeah?
your bike. Yeah.
Really?
If you're going downhill, it charges the battery.
Oh.
If you're going 50 miles an hour,
How does it work?
it gives you power back.
Wow.
It's called, they call it the EPass.
Nice.
Each company call it, there's different, but this one, Eahora names it EPass. All right, I'm gonna flip it upside down. Let's see what I got. This is the put the brakes on. But first I gotta disconnect this. Got the brakes. Now take out this. That's good they put that so you can it helps you stand forward. Picture was quick release, this one's not. It's okay. I'm gonna also upgrade this into quick release. Okay. It's not like it's a race bike like my road bike is. See in the ad it shows a quick release. Quick release you don't need the screws. But I'm not gonna complain. It's not a race bike. Okay. Tighten it. This came with the tools too. It's pretty nice. The left. The L has to go in this side. Since the bike is upside down, this is the left. Right? Yep. I'm sure sometimes they make a mistake sending you the wrong piece, the wrong part. This is the right. The only scratch I got is that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is squash. Oh.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm not gonna complain. Just like this one on the Amazon, it shows quick release. But it's not. I'm not gonna,
So you can just tell
it's not a race bike. My road bike's all quick release. You don't need a quick release if you're not racing. If you're not a racer, you don't need it. Oh, this is the right. You gotta make sure you go right. And then on the left, tighten it left. Okay, you don't want it too tight. You don't want to strip. Turn it back up. You ready? I'm gonna turn it up now.
Look at that. Looks cool. Oh my god, looks so big. Wow.
battery's low, so we'll get that. Kind of that one there is almost dead. It's not complete charge. So you can either take out the battery, or you can just do it from the way. Hey guys, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna give it a test ride, see if it works. I'm gonna give it a test ride, see if it works. Back at Silver Run Peak. The problem I found about this bike is the stand. Kickstand, if you notice, it's pretty big. Then when this turns, it hits right here. You can see the scratch. So it kind of like hits it every time you paddle. So I think it can be an easy fix. When I get home, I might try to move it or get a smaller stand. But other than that, this bike has a 48 watt battery. And it's a 350 watts motor, and it rides nice, and just you can tell the bike has been in the dirt, in the trail. Did a pretty good job. But if you want to do more aggressive, I would suggest buy new tires, because right now this is good for commuting. Well, that's good. If you get this bike, don't expect it to be a $5,000 bike. Because basically this is a beginner bike, so it performs pretty well for most average rider. Okay guys, that's it, and if you have any question, please put it in the comments, and watch out for the other video coming really soon on this bike. So I'm gonna be doing videos on this bike, so the upgrades and what broke or whatever. So okay, please like and subscribe if you like this video.